Think all app designs are created equal? In 2026, custom mobile app design is what separates apps users love from the ones they delete. Most apps fail because they rely on templates. They look pretty in mockups, but real users struggle with navigation, context, and usability. 2026 apps are hyper-personalized. AI-native interfaces adjust dynamically based on user behavior, time, location, and device. Adaptive UI adapts to different user needs, while intent-based design focuses on what the user wants to accomplish, not just the screens. Immersive 3D elements and micro-animations make apps engaging and intuitive. Every motion communicates meaning, not decoration. Want a mobile app built for real users with AI, adaptive UI, and immersive design? Asapp Studio helps US businesses design apps that truly work. Stop building apps users delete. Build apps they love. Starting today with Custom Mobile App Design 2026.